Okay guys, this is the ZAFRO 8000 BTU air conditioner. I'm going to hook this thing up and show you exactly how it works. Okay, so right off the bat, you're going to take the tape off of the air vents. That'll allow it to open up. You're going to do the same in these back parts. And then it's going to have tape on the sides. Step number 2, you're going to turn this thing back around, and on the back, you're going to see this little square. This is the piece that actually goes in it right here. You're going to stick this in right here. But first, I'm going to connect it to this hose. So the hose right here on the end is what you will connect it to. And the way you slide this on is you just stick it on here and screw it on just like you would a screw. What you do is you take this and you connect it right here on the bottom. Just like that. Okay, so next step, you're just going to take this piece right here and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to attach it right here on the end. Okay guys, and now that that's complete, you have this window slide right here that you can adjust to your window size. Actually something I was very interested in because I had a problem. This window's really big, and usually most AC units won't fit this window, but this one, as you can see, fits. So what you're going to do is you're going to attach this, adjust it to your window, set your window on top, and then you'll attach this piece right here to this. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to pop this window up, and then I'm going to take this, stick it right inside the window just like this, and then close it. Quick tip, if you have a big side and a small side, the small side that's flat is going to actually be the one that sits on the bottom of the window. So the way that looks is you take this piece and you would attach it right here, just like that. And then it would sit in the window just like that. Because if you don't do that, this piece will block your window from closing. So that being said, I'm going to slide these together. The window. So fortunately, I flipped it upside down and it's actually flat on the bottom. So that's the correct way to put it in. This part is another mistake I will show you all right now. I'm supposed to stick this in that tiny hole right there and it'll bring the track up. And then any gap you have left, you can just take some tape and go over it. And that way you have no air leakage. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do that real quick. Is take this out of the window, if you already put it in, and see how there's like a notch in here? You're going to take this piece out. So what you're going to do is take these pieces, which is a washer, like a notch, and a nut that goes onto it. You're going to take this notch and you're going to slide it in here like this. Just like that. And then you're going to take your washer, you're going to stick your washer over that, and then you'll take your nut and install that. But what you need to do is slide this in that hole right there and line this up through that hole. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So guys, this is exactly what you're going to do. You're going to take this, you're going to stick it through the back here. All right, just like that. You'll take your nut, washer, and put it over. And then you'll take your nut on top and screw it down so it doesn't move. It doesn't have to be tight yet, just enough. And then now, you'll take this piece and slide it through that track. Boom, just like that. Now you can put your window down and you can tighten this in place. There you go. Now this won't move. So it'll look like that once you're done. Now if you have any gap in your window over here, you can just take a little bit of tape and put it right over it and you should be good. That's what the user manual said. And then you have a drain plug back here. It's right down here on the bottom. Right down there. But you don't have to install it. You can manually drain this thing since it has a dehumidifier, fan, and cooling AC on it. So guys, I'm going to test it and show you how it works, but that's how you install it. You just need to plug it in and turn it on. So let's do that real quick. So first, open these up, then you'll take it, plug it in, and then press power. Now right now it's on fan mode, but let's turn it on cool mode. It feels really nice and cold. And guys, that is it. So it's really easy to put together. I have it running right now. Sounds like a typical AC. Love it. It's a good sleep sound. It has 3 options on it. It has a dehumidifier, a fan, and an actual air conditioner. I'm using the AC right now. It has a screen here and here. Absolutely love it. I highly recommend. This only took me about 8 to 10 minutes to put together.